Hi guys, this is Twism from Honest Reviews. Ever wonder how to check your internet speed? It's actually pretty simple. You just need to open your browser and you want to go to speedtest.net and hit enter. And then what this is going to do is this is going to find your optimal server here. And so this one, apparently I'm using my Verizon hotspot with a laptop, so it's linking me to Franklin, Kentucky. And what it'll do, it'll send a signal to the server in Franklin, Kentucky, and then it'll test how fast it goes from there to where I'm at. And then it'll give me a download speed and an upload speed. So download being how fast you could put something on the internet, and then upload would be, I'm sorry, I've got that backwards. Download would be how fast you could take something off the internet and put it on your computer. Upload would be how fast you could take something from your computer and put it on the internet. For example, a YouTube video. On the download side, say you downloaded a video or a program, for example, to show you how fast. So you just hit the go button here, and it will ping, see, and it'll let me know how fast I'm downloading in megabytes per second and uploading in megabytes per second. And right now we're not looking super awesome compared to my home internet. So 17.1 megabytes a second download, and we are uploading right now. At about 2.59. Now you can also, on this site, you can go right here to change your server. So we went out of Franklin, Kentucky that time. We could try, say, AT&T in Nashville, Tennessee, and let's see if that's any different. I think we're at 17 and 2 point something. 17 download and 2 point something upload. But if we ping ourselves out of Nashville, let's see. This is also really helpful if you decide to change internet carriers and the cable company says, well, hey, you'll get 100 megabytes a second, and you're paying for it, and you want to find out if that's true or not. This is a good way to test it. So you can see that it's going to be a little different each time, and also there's varying factors that determine your download and upload speed, but this is a good way to do it. So it looks like going out of Nashville AT&T, we're getting 23.78 and 2.11. So like I said, the download is how fast we could take something off the internet. So say I wanted to download a video, I could do it at 23.78 megabytes a second, roughly. If I wanted to put a video on the internet, I could do it roughly at 2.11 megabytes per second. And it's normal for your upload speed to be significantly lower than your download with most carriers. So, hope that answers that question. Please subscribe and leave any comments below and hit the like. And thanks for tuning in.